Are you throwing things? This is the bounce up and down, throw things at each other game. Come on, jump, jump, jump. There's Doug jumping in Kate's bed. There's Kate jumping in Doug's bed. Oh my goodness, you're good jumpers. Let me come over here so I can see you both jumping. Okay, now you guys throw your things at each other. Throw the animals at each other. Oh, big throw. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is a fun morning game. Whoa, that was a big throw. Whoa, you throwing poo. Whoa. Oh, that was a big one. Throw them at each other, not at me, senor. Okay, you're a big jumper. Those are some high jumps. Mama's recording. Mommy will jump soon. You like it when Mommy jumps with you? Yeah? Can you say hi? Oh, let's see those jumps. Let's see them. Let's see them. Jump. Oh my goodness, look at you jump. Great. No throwing books. You can throw animals. No books. Look at Doug jump. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys are big jumpers. Whoa. Whoa. Silly me, I was checking my email and heard too much fun going on. Don't throw Cookie Monster, Nina. Not the book. Nina. Well, now you can't reach it. It's fun to jump in somebody else's bed, isn't it?